Come on in. I'm going to give a quick forecast on gold, crude oil, and the US stock index. Where is it going to move just this week? Okay. Even though in the longer term, I'll be sharing with you as well. Okay. I'm going to be sharing with you how it is going to move in the longer term as well, but mainly on this week, since gold has went up to a new high, right? Since gold has went up to a new high, are we expecting it to continue to go up, right? What's the kind of things that we should be looking at? And also, uh, two stocks that my student have analyzed, and I'd like to give it to you because it's pretty good also. Okay. And so, not to further delay, right? Here is the one thing I want to share with you here right now. Okay. Let me check with my hold on for a while. Let me launch my charting, right? Let me launch my charting and we can get started, right? So over here, okay. Okay, so very quickly, let me show you the chart. Okay, can you guys see my charting? Can you guys see my charting? Right, I'm going to share Costco. Okay, stocks that looks good to start moving. Okay, yeah. So if you guys can see my charting and see me, don't mind key in, type in one. Okay, and I get started. Okay, let me get started. The two stocks I'm going to give it to you, I leave it at the last. Okay, and I'm going to share with you crude oil first, right? If you can you guys hear me? Type of one, right? And I get started right away. Okay, because we are like 7:08 right now, Singapore time, and it's Monday, right? Monday. So okay, thanks Ecofy for typing one. At least I know that you can hear me. Okay. Wee Hoon, hi. Thank you. Paul, hi. Okay. So very quickly, crude oil is pretty much sideways but still going up. Okay, still going up. So my take is that even if it comes down, is like maybe $2-3 from now. It's like $41.40, right? The max you can go is like maybe 35, but what if it continue to go up and test 45 like what I previously said, right? Or even $50, which is possible. Okay, which is possible. Okay, so overall, this is something that you need to take note that if it retraces to maybe below 40, between 35 to 40, we want to look for opportunity to take in more of crude oil, right? Whether it's USO or whether it's crude oil futures. What we want to do is to really take in more, get ready for it to move up to 45, right? Or even $50. Okay, this week alone, okay, this week alone, I would suspect that nothing much will change. Okay, nothing much will change in the sense that it should continue to go up, especially for the early part of this week, Monday, Tuesday kind of thing. It should go all the way up to test at least over here is like $42.50, right? It should lah. Okay, using the especially the 4 hour time frame is pretty bullish. Okay, pretty bullish. At least right now, as we speak, it should go all the way and test 42 and above. Okay, yeah, 42.00, 42.00 and above. That's crude oil. Okay, let me touch on gold because gold has hit a new high, things like that. Yeah, pretty much nothing much to say about gold except that there's very slim chance it will come down. Okay, it has already started to go vertical. Okay, it started to go vertical. Normally, when it start to go vertical, it has some room to go. Okay, it normally have some room to go. So in that sense, if it has some room to go, and then maybe within 4 weeks time, we may even see a test of 2000. Okay, now it's 1938, right? So that's what I see on the gold side. Okay, pretty bullish, pretty bullish. If there's a retracement, there won't be a strong correction also. Okay, yeah, it will not be a strong correction even if it come down. Okay, the way I see it, yeah, pretty strong move, and this move maybe just starting. Okay, just starting, and so yeah, right now, unless it retrace a little bit, then we can find opportunity to get in. Okay, that's for gold. Okay, uh, let me touch on Dow Jones. And in terms of Dow Jones, it's setting up like pretty much like it's going to go down. Okay, going to go down. Like what I said last week, right? Last week I talked about the stock market pretty topish. So this week, similarly, it's pretty topish, especially like Thursday and Friday, it was a down day. That could be an indication that it's ready to move down a little bit even more. Okay, and in terms of Dow Jones, maybe even touch 25,000. Okay, from current price now of 26,395, right? Maybe at first you would test to 26,000, then after that maybe go all the way to test 25,000. Who knows, right? But having said that, I can be wrong, and it can keep going up and go back and test 27,000. Okay, 27,000. Yeah, I would say I'll be more prone to going short. Okay, going short as in to sell the index down for profit and buy back later at a lower price, right? Same story for S&P, pretty much the same story. Okay, so I won't touch so much on this. So I would like to touch on one that is two stocks. Okay, two stocks that because I'm pretty much bearish, I would like to test out whether the market is really in tune with what I am saying, that it's going to go down, right? So in terms of trading it, especially as if you know how to short first, sell first, and buy back later, you can use CFD. You can use a lot of instruments that can allow you to sell first and buy back later. Okay, one of them is CFD. Okay, the more common ones. So in this case, Cisco, okay, the stock symbol is CSCO. If I'm not looking at the screen, I'm looking at a bigger screen, so don't mind. Yeah, CSCO. I would say if it goes above, I would say not say go above lah. I would say right now is a shorting opportunity already getting ready for us to present itself. Okay, it has already presented itself, so getting ready for us to really get into sell it down. Okay, sell it down. Of course, I can be wrong, and the market index keep going up and it doesn't go down, right? But I will say even if market goes up, Cisco may be consolidating and go into correction mode. Okay, go into correction mode whereby you come down first. So this is one that to sell first and buy back lower for profit, right? Cisco. Another one is let me check my phone. I forgot. Another one is what? Okay, this is DLTR, 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 and by the way, this tool is not found by me. This tool is found by my student, okay, Jeffrey. So pretty much good in the sense that I would say this is what Dollar Tree, okay, quite famous name in US, okay. So Dollar Tree, the stock symbol is DLTR, okay, Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree also getting ready to come down, okay, do a correction, not come down very hard or kind of thing, but go into a correction whereby if we know how to sell at this current price around this price that you see here, we could buy back lower for profit. Okay, so that's Dollar Tree and Cisco. Okay, like I say pretty good setup. I personally see it also pretty good setup. Yeah, uh, good to go, right? Good to go. Especially, I think Dollar Tree is pretty much from current price. Maybe even today you will open slightly lower already. Okay, so that's the two stocks that was given by my student. Okay, thank you, Jeffrey, for providing this. Okay, the way I see it, pretty good setup. Okay, pretty good setup. Okay, who knows? 9:30 market open, we can see whether we can get a good price to get in, right? So that's all from me. Okay, like I say, let me hide this first. Okay, hope you benefited. Okay, click on the like and share button if you find this helpful. Okay, I will appreciate it a lot. Okay, any questions that you have now is a good time to ask me. If not, then I'll call it a day, right? And I'll come on in if I find any more trading ideas for you guys to take, right? Yeah, because basically Monday is normally the day that I share with you where the market should be going, right? And if you have seen my previous Facebook Live, I've talked about especially in this page, right? In this Facebook page, 2nd of April, I talk about I written an article to talk about crude oil going to bottom, and it actually bottomed in April, right? And 18th of May, I did a Facebook Live right here on this Facebook page talking about SE. The stock symbol is SE, and the stock name is C Limited. Okay, but at that point of time, it was like $69, and as of 2 weeks ago, it almost reached $130. Right, all done in Facebook Live. In 22nd of May, I did a touch on three stocks that is fundamentally very weak, but momentumly wise is due for a technical rebound. Okay, the cruise line stocks, and I did that on the 22nd of May. Okay, and since I did that Facebook Live, those three stocks actually went up 60% on its stock price. That is huge. And that was done within 3 weeks, like almost 2 weeks, right? So in 1st of June, when before our phase two circuit breaker yeah, opening up, I talked about the STI moving up, and within I think a month, okay, within weeks, I think right? The STI actually moved up 200 points, if I'm not wrong. Okay, 10th of June, I talked about Rita. Okay, and the very next day, Rita jumped $50 per share. Okay, so yeah, basically, this I hope you guys understand. The purpose of this Facebook Live is to share with you. So make sure you take action. Okay, take action on what is the kind of trading ideas I have for you, because I like to see some of you really take action, take profit from the actions that I share with you, the trading ideas that I share with you. That is the best reward, the most fulfilling thing for me, if it happens, right? So thank you so much. Like I say, share this if you feel that you like your friends or uh, anyone to benefit, and you find this is really really helpful, because I'm doing Facebook Live and doing trading ideas. For those of you who have no trading ideas, then or your friends don't have any trading ideas, or always asking you for trading ideas, this is the best way to get them involved, right? By sharing this with them, or even tagging them, right? So thank you so much. I'll see you again once I have any new stuff. I'm thinking of doing some educational beginner stuff for the you guys out there. So stay tuned on this page, and I'll share that with you. Okay. Till next time. Thank you. Thank you for attending. I appreciate it a lot.